Oh yeah, fresh compost. You know, hardcore naturalists and gardeners, we don't just go to the store and buy soil, we make it. This is our first batch. It looks disgusting. It smells disgusting. It looks like poo. So I'm thinking we've done a pretty good job. But who's going to be the ultimate judge? We've got about 200 plants going in the ground: tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, you name it. Zucchini. I don't even eat zucchini. We just like planting it. So many things. And it's going to take all this delicious nourishment and make something tasty. With an eye on Sligo Creek, near Sligo Creek, doing Sligo Creeky naturalist things in our own backyard. I'm Chris Lancette, and I really wish you could be here.